Moving on, there are some interstate disputes in India which never go away. They may subside for some time but keep resurfacing every now and then. One such dispute is the tension between Maharashtra and Karnataka over Belagavi. In the latest, Thackeray Sai and Aditya's remarks triggered massive heat during the winter session of Maharashtra Assembly after he demanded that Belagavi be declared a union territory. Not only this, he also accused Karnataka government, which is run by ally Congress, of suppressing the Marathi-speaking people in the region. Aditya Thackeray's remarks came amid the state assembly session, which is underway in Belagavi, and witnessed protest outside the assembly by Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti, a group which calls for merger of Belagavi and Maharashtra. Aditya also demanded urgent intervention by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and the centre in the matter. Let's listen in to Aditya Thackeray's reaction.
कल हमने सुबह भी मांग की है, आज भी मांग की है। मैंने खत लिखा है स्वयं मुख्यमंत्री महोदय को कि आज हाउस में वो अगर एक ठहराव लाते कि केंद्र शासित किया जाए, प्रस्ताव लाते केंद्र शासित करने के लिए बेलगांव को, तो हम सारे लोग उनके साथ खड़े रहते। और यही प्रस्ताव शायद संसद में भी आना चाहिए, क्योंकि संसद भवन में सेशन तो जारी है। यही हमारी मांग रहेगी कि वहाँ के जो अत्याचार हो रहे हैं वो रोका जाए, अट्रॉसिटीज रोके जाए, और मराठी जनता को जो हैरान किया जा रहा है वो तुरंत रोका जाए। मराठी जनता तो भी हिंदू ही है ना, तो बटेंगे तो कटेंगे बोलने वाले वहाँ जाके मराठी जनता को आश्रय देंगे क्या?
Aditya Thackeray is saying this is $1 million joke. Aditya Thackeray is in Mahavikas Aghadi, and in Karnataka there is a Congress government. So first he should call them and ask them to withdraw that ban. But instead of doing that, he is playing politics on this issue also. He has no guts to say anything or criticize Congress government, because then Sonia Gandhi will kick out Uddhav Thackeray Gut. What is their position? They are still in Mahavikas Aghadi. Mahavikas Aghadi part is Congress. So they should ask to Sonia Gandhi and Congress Karnataka Chief Minister.
Thackeray's demand and allegations have ruffled several feathers in one go, with MVA partner Congress taking strong exception to this demand. Karnataka Congress MLA Lakshman Savadi termed Aditya a beggar who does not deserve a response.
आदित्य ठाकरे बता रहे हैं कि बेलगावी जो बॉर्डर इशू पहले से उठा रहे हैं, इसको यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाना है। इसके बारे में आपको क्या लगता है?
उनका एज क्या है? एज क्या है? आदित्य ठाकरे का एज क्या है?
आपसे बहुत छोटे हैं।
ऐसे छोटे वालों को, भिखारी लोगों को हम उतर नहीं पहना।
All right, I'm being joined by my colleague Imran at this point. Very good evening, Imran. Imran, looks like emotions and words all are peaking, but how should this be seen in the context of Karnataka and the assembly that's underway? Imran, good evening, if you can hear me.
Well, yes, this is the border issue between Maharashtra over the Belagavi has always been an issue of conflict between Karnataka and Maharashtra. And this now the statement of Aditya Thackeray has created more issues. And every time MES there is a session in Belagavi, it's always opposite saying that Belagavi belongs to the part of Maharashtra, and they always have been opposing the session to be held in Belagavi. And now, however, the Karnataka government insists and pro-Karnataka groups that action should be initiated against MES, and they've asked the strictest action should be taken against them.